Good morning, students. Everybody stand up and let us pray. In the name of the Father, in the name of the Son, in the name of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Before we start our lesson, please pick up all papers under the chair. And after that, everybody take your seat. Secretary, who's absent today? Okay, I'm glad because there's no absent today, so we have many lessons for today. Okay, before we start our lesson, I have a simple game. This is the direction. Solve the perfect problem below. Okay, who have an idea what is the answer for this four picture? This four picture can show the sun. Okay, student, who have an idea what is the lesson for today? Very good. Our topic for today is about sun. Before we start, I have an activity. This is the direction I can read. Identifying and describing the parts of the sun. First, study the diagram of the part of the sun. You need to study the picture of the sun. What is the part? Second, enter your observations in a table like this. This table has two columns. First column is part of the sun. What is the part of the sun? And the second column is the what is the description of the part of the sun. And write this column the description of the parts. Understand, class? Okay. Very good. Before you answer the table, I have a guided question. The direction is the answer the following question based on your activity. First, what is the meaning of the sun? Second, is the sun is the biggest body in the solar system? Third, what is photosphere? 4. What is chromosphere? 5. What is corona? 6. What is sunspot? And 7. What is prominence? Okay, you may start the activity, student. Are you done, student? Okay, let us proceed to our lesson for today. I have a question. What is the meaning of the sun? Okay, do you have an idea? Who will answer? Yes, Nicole. Okay. Very good. Thank you for your answer. Yes. The sun is the most prominent heavenly body The sun is the most prominent heavenly body we use during daytime. However, we should not look directly because sun should not look directly because it is possible to contaminate our eyes. Who want to another answer? What is the meaning of the sun? Yes, Carla? Yes, right. The sun is the only star in the solar system. As a star, it is a source of light and heat. Without light and heat, life on Earth would be impossible. Without heat, Earth would just be a frozen sphere of hard rock. Without light, plants will not be able to produce food that we and other living things use. We cannot live in very cold place. We cannot live without food too. Understand, student? Okay, another question. Is the sun is the biggest body in the solar system? Who want to answer? Yes, Sarah? Thank you for your answer. Yes. The sun is the biggest heavenly body in the solar system. Its diameter is 3.42 times bigger than the combined diameters of the 8 planets. How about photosphere? The photosphere The photosphere is the sun has distinct part, its bright and visible surface, where the temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. This part has yellow color. The photosphere appears black when it is blocked out by the moon during an eclipse. Photosphere again is a star outer shell from which light is radiated. This is the feature of photosphere, the yellow color. How about the chromosphere? This is the meaning. The chromosphere is above the photosphere is an 8,000 kilometer deep layer of boiling and spinning gases. When the moon blacks out the photosphere during an eclipse, chromosphere is second of the third main layer in the sun. As atmosphere above the photosphere, below the solar transition region, 3,000 to 5,000 kilometer deep, with rosy red color only apparent during eclipse. This is the picture of chromosphere. How about the corona? This is the meaning of corona. Corona is above the chromosphere and extending over a million kilometers beyond the surface of the sun. It is composed of extremely thin dust and gases. Its temperature is about 2 million degrees Celsius and is much hotter than the surface. During a total eclipse, the corona becomes visible to Earth. This is the picture. This is the corona. Understand, student? May another. How about the sunspot? Sunspots are darker, cooler areas on the surface of the sun in a region called the photosphere. The photosphere has a temperature of 5,800 degrees Kelvin. Sunspots have temperatures of about 3,800 degrees Kelvin. They look dark only a comparison with the brighter and hotter regions of the photosphere around them. Surface open in a loop shape, prominences and are anchored to the sun's surface in the photosphere and extend outwards into the sun's corona. This is the picture of sunspot. prominence. This is the meaning of prominence. Prominence is a large, bright, gaseous feature extending outward from the sun's surface, often in a lobe shape, the same sunspot. Prominences are anchored to the sun's surface in the photosphere and extended outwards into the sun's corona. This is the feature of prominences. Okay, what is the meaning of core? This is the meaning of core. Core is the only part of the sun wherein hydrogen is being converted into helium to produce vast amount of energy in the form of heat and light. This heat and light is the one the earth receives. It makes its way from the sun's surface and then into space. The core is the hottest part of the sun. This is the picture of the core. The core is the center of the sun. Okay, student. Do you have any question? Do you understand about our lesson? Okay, I have a question again. Why the sun is very important? Who want to answer? Yes, Jenny. Very good. The sun is very important in the plant's growth. The sun helps the plant to make their own food by the photosynthesis process. The sun is very necessary for the other living organisms that it provides us with light for the vision and to do our work. The sun provides us with the heat to warm our bodies. Okay, student, I have another question. What happens if the sun stops shining? Who want to answer my question? Yes, Prince? Very good. Yes, if the sun stops shining, all photosynthesis on Earth would stop. All plants would die and eventually all animals that rely on plants for food, including humans, would die too. Okay, student, do you have any question? Okay, student, if you will not any question, please get 1/4 sheet of paper and write answer only. The direction is choose the letter of the best answer. I will post this paper. This question. Okay, student, you need to answer this. Okay, student, are you done to answer? Okay, we will check. Please kindly exchange paper at your back. Okay, number 1. Which of these describe the sun? Letter A, it is composed of light gases. Letter B, it is composed of hard rocks. Letter C, it does not emit light and heat. Letter D, all of the above. Okay? The answer is letter A. It is composed of light gases. Number 2. Which of these is not given off the sun? Letter A, chemical energy. Letter B, heat energy. Letter C, light energy. And letter D, none of the above. The answer is letter A. Number 3. What kind of heavenly body is the sun? Letter A, star. Letter B, planet. Letter C, meteor. And letter D, moon. Answer is letter A. Number 4. Which of these makes the earth warm? Letter A, heat energy. Letter B, light energy. Letter C, solar energy. Letter D, none of the above. The answer of number 4 is letter B. Number 5. Which of these is used by plants for food making? Letter A, heat energy. Letter B, light energy. Letter C, solar energy. And letter D, all of the above. The answer to number 5 is letter B. Number 6 question. Which of these is the bright and visible parts of the sun? Letter A, chromosphere. Letter B, photosphere. Letter C, corona. And letter D, sunspot. What is the answer? Okay, letter B. Which of these are seen at the atmosphere? Letter A, prominence. Letter B, sunspot. Letter C, corona. And letter D, both A and B. What is the answer? Okay, letter C. Letter C is corona. Number 8. Which of these are seen as black part during an eclipse by the moon? Letter A, chromosphere. Letter B, corona. Letter C, photosphere. And letter D, sunspot. The answer is letter C, photosphere. Number 9. Which of these appears as a thin layer of red light around the sun during an eclipse? Letter A, chromosphere. Letter B, corona. Letter C, photosphere. Letter D, sunspot. Okay, the answer is chromosphere. Letter A. Last but not the least, number 10. Here is the question. Which among the following is the hottest part of the sun? Letter A, chromosphere. Letter B, corona. Letter C, photosphere. And letter D, core. What is the answer? Okay, letter D, the core. The core is the hottest part of the sun. Are you done, student? Okay, please pass your paper forward. Okay. Who got 10? Who got 9? Who got 8? Who got 7? Who got 6? Who got 5? Who got 4? Who got 3? 2, 1, 0. Okay, thank you. Okay, student, do you have any question? If nothing, okay, student, I hope you can learn. This is the end of our lessons for today. Goodbye and see you tomorrow.